What's up everyone, and welcome to another Radical Electric Bikes review. This is Rowan with you here, and today we're checking out and comparing two automatic air inflators by Cycplus, the A7 and A8. Both operate the same way, with the only difference being the double-layered aluminum shell on the A8, and there are clear size differences with the A7 being longer and more like a water bottle. The A7 and A8 come with a charging cable, high-pressure hose, and attachments to fill up sports equipment like balloons, balls, and also a valve converter to fit all bikes. It has 4 preset pressure settings that you can customize on the fly by pressing the center button, start pumping by clicking again, and voila! The included flashlight is handy to see in dark environments, especially if you don't have another backup light like on your phone, for example if it was dead. This will make things a whole lot easier, like threading the hose onto the valve. Now let's thread onto the valve with the converter attached to get started. We preset our pressure to 101 psi to see if it will accurately shut off. This took about a minute and 30 seconds before the auto shut off kicked in. Now let's compare this to the A8. Right away I like the profile of the pump being more compact. It is lighter and looks a little bit nicer than the A7. The A8 uses the same parts as the A7, so that means that they are interchangeable with each other. The only difference is the Cycplus bag that came with the A8, which is a nice touch. The A8 flashlight performs the same as the A7. No complaints here, as it is equally handy. The sound of the pump is noticeably smoother, but does not pump any faster or slower. Now let's move on to an accuracy test between the A7 and the A8. We have it set to 101 psi just like last time, and sure enough, it landed on 101 right on the dot. Both the A7 and A8 can pump bikes, cars, SUVs, and does not work with heavy trucks or buses. The displays are easy to read with accurate automatic shutoff up to 150 psi. These pumps do not work as a mobile device power bank. Check out the A2 model if this is a feature that you would like by clicking the video at the end of this review. Thanks for watching our review of the A7 and A8. Let me know in the comments what you think of these two automatic air pumps. Drop a like on this video, hit the bell notification icon, and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook for upcoming reviews and Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and holiday deals coming up. Take care and see you in the next one.